Okay, so I thought the best thing to start with is our Google Classroom. Everything's going to be on our Google Classroom. Here is a computer view, if you have a computer. Here is an iPad view. So we'll go through both of them. So here I'm going to click into our Google Classroom. And here we are, kindergarten, the 100. And here's just a basic stream. I'm logged on as a student. I'm logged on as Marvel. So that way you can see your view right here. And then here is the iPad, and I'm gonna log on to there. So that's what that looks like on the iPad. And this is what it looks like on my computer. So let me see. So here's just updated stuff that we've done. Probably stream just means that everything that's been put up, including things that are not necessarily classwork, everything that's been there. And here is our morning meeting. And this is for every morning. We'll log on. Same thing with this view right here. All the way here, including different things, assignments, classwork, or just regular things. Classroom poems, comments, and morning meeting is right there as well. So I'm going to show you where we can go up here. Up here it says classwork. So we're going to click on that. And this is the classwork that we've been doing. Now, some of the kids will be in the Math Bees classroom, and some of the kids will be in the Dragonflies math. So stay tuned, and we will let you know which one to go to. Here is our writing folder. Our writing folder is going to be used for the writing time as we go through the schedule later on. And Ms. Fiera will be posting a weekly writing video, and she will do, like, if you can watch it on Monday or Tuesday, just a writing video, or every day, and then they'll be doing a little writing assignment daily so they can keep practicing their writing. And here on the iPad, the classroom work is right here. And there we go. Here is our general classwork. Here's our Math Bees. Here's our Math Dragonflies, our writing, and our Zoom link information. So if anything, here's our packet from before. This is already done, but here's our Zoom link. And if you were ever wondering, oh, where's a Zoom link for morning meeting? It'll be right here under classwork. So that's that. And let's go back to here. So an example of how to do some classwork, and this is kind of cool. I'll just go, Marvel's gonna go on fill in the blank. And then he's gonna go to view assignment. And then it says, add a word in the blank to complete the sentence. That's why it's called fill in the blank. So I'm gonna look at the image. And there it is. The blank is fat. So on their whiteboards or paper pencil or whatever they think, they can either copy the sentence or write something that would make sense. So for example, I have my whiteboard here. So I'm gonna put the. I'll write it myself, and I'm gonna put pig, if I love pigs. Okay, the pig is, and I'm just gonna like, okay, I don't remember how to write it. I'm gonna look at my thing, use my resources, is fat. And everybody has a little checklist that I left at school. Don't forget your period. Or if I'm very, very excited about it, I'm gonna put exclamation point. So here's my assignment. The pig is fat. So now I go back to my assignments. I did my work. I can go back. And here I can put your work. So add or create, mark as done. So let's try this one. Add or create. So here it's kind of different because it's a computer. You can take a picture and download it onto your computer and then put file. Or let me show you on the, here. I'm gonna go back to that assignment. Fill in the blank and look at the attachment. That's me right there. The something is fat. Okay. So I saw my assignment. I'm gonna go back and your work. And I'm actually gonna add an attachment because I want my teacher to see that I did it. So I'm gonna use my camera. And sorry, that's my sewing machine. I'm gonna go back over here and I'm gonna take a picture of my work. Stay tuned. Okay, I just took a picture of my work. This is cool on the iPad. On the computer, you would have to take a picture, download it onto your computer, and then press File. But on here, here's my thing. I'm gonna put Use Photo. And it's uploading, taking time, and it's done. Okay, now that it's done, I'm gonna there's my attachment right there. And don't forget to press turn in, because that way it'll tell me if you turned it in. And they can send attachments, they don't have to, as long as they just say turn in, that works too. Then I'm gonna go back to desktop view. And here, I didn't have time to take a picture, or it was a little kind of tricky, so I'm just gonna put mark as done. And do you want to mark as done? Mark as done. And there we go. Now I can go back as a teacher and see if they did their assignment. So I'm going to go back to the 100. Also, a cool thing about this one, it has a to-do list. So here's our assignments to do. The same thing with this one. We're done with that. Here, if you go right. Also, on our Google Classroom, I really like it because it has everything we need. So if you go all the way down to stream, it's kind of at the very beginning, all the way down, we have our sight words, but it also has a YouTube channel. So if you just click on that, you'll get to our YouTube channel. The most important thing about our YouTube channel, if you can go into playlists right here, if you go into playlists right there, it'll give you your playlist. And here's the station time. So when you have stations, they'll be right here. If you don't see all of it, then just go ahead and click on here. We have science, social studies, we have movement and dance, we have reading, we have math, we have fun silly, which the kids love the duck song, we have my videos, and here's the station time, and here's writing time with Miss Firo that we'll have. And here's also if your kids need to practice the letters and the alphabet, they'll be right there. Oh, that's my baby. Also, if you go here, that's the app for Google Classroom. We'll go back over here. We'll go back to stream. Let me show you where the YouTube channel is on the iPad. We go all the way down towards the beginning, sight words, YouTube channel, and link. And there we go. And here's the playlist up here. So if you go to playlist and it's time for station time is right there. We have 5 videos. I will be uploading more every week. Miss Hatcher, Miss Farah, and myself. And actually my daughter's doing a little Play-Doh also. So we'll have Play-Doh with Yaya also on there. And that's what it looks like here. Also for if we go back to here, we also have our Zoom meetings every morning, and they're also under classwork. So our Zoom meetings will be right here. This is our Zoom meeting. And you just click join Zoom meeting. And this is for our morning meeting every day. And it'll click yes, allow. And it'll have me join the meeting, and then you just wait for me. On here, it's the same thing. Let's go back to my Google Classroom. And let's go back out, and we're gonna go for our Zoom meeting. And here's our morning Zoom meeting. And you just click join Zoom meeting. And also it'll get you there, and then you're gonna press OK. And then it'll be waiting for the Zoom meeting to start.